For over 2 decades we've specialized in precision cable assemblies and wiring harnesses certified to IS 09001, IAT F16949 and IS 013485 standards. Our solutions power consumer electronics, automotive systems, medical devices, aerospace applications and more. We offer LVDS EDP micro-coaxial molded and waterproof cables with premium connectors from Molex, JST, Heroes and others. From 0.25mm fine pitch to 4/8 AWG micro wires, we build exactly to your specs. For over 2 decades we've specialized in precision cable assemblies and wiring harnesses certified to IS 09001, IAT F16949 and IS 013485 standards. Our solutions power consumer electronics, automotive systems, medical devices.